So I'm thinking about buying this car. It's a Volkswagen R32. It's pretty sweet. It's a 24 valve 6 cylinder engine, and sorry for being so close, but it is the right price. It's a 2008. You might be saying, hey, it's only a two-door, you have a baby, is that practical? But the car seat fits in it fine. It's got relatively low mileage, and I might get a really good price on it, and so that would mean trading in my beloved GTI VR6 and Gene's Highlander, and with that it comes down to a very affordable amount of money. So I don't know if let's go inside here. One of the complaints, I guess, about these was the radio. There's an aftermarket radio in it. Pretty sweet instrument cluster. It is a Tiptronic, but it's got these awesome little paddle shifters back here, which are kind of cool. And I test drove it, and I was impressed. I'm usually a standard guy, but leather throughout. Really nice. And I don't know if you can hear this, but sounds really sweet. So, but yeah, and it's, of course, it's got the R32 badging on it, R32, and it's got those lovely little dual exhausts down there, which signify it's also. I've never owned a white car, so we'll see. But it's very clean, very nice, and it's very fast, which I totally dig. So it's got all this stuff on it, and it's cool. The aftermarket Pioneer CD, the Pioneer radio and CD player, it's got an SD card in it, so an SD card slot. So that'd be easy. I've got an 8 gigabyte SD card at home that I could fill with music and never have to change it again. So, but pretty cool. And so certified pre-owned, which also means that I get an extended warranty on it. So there it is, potentially my new R32. See ya.